temperature drops and the snow starts to fall, it's finally time to dust off those ice skates, pull out your skis, and prepare your toboggan for some classic winter play. Whether you're a pro who wants to put on a real fight with your friends and race towards a goal or shoot that puck into your competitor's net, or a wobbly Bambi who just wants to hang out in the bunny slopes, Light Elegance invites you to share this wintry excitement with the 2022 Buttercream Collection Winterplay. A collection of 6 shades, soft neutrals, and rich bolds sprinkled with a touch of winter shimmer that will make you create snow angels faster than you have time to say, "Let's get ready to rumble." Our first color on the arena is Chairlift Chit Chat, a creamy berry fuchsia that will definitely be a conversation starter if you find yourself stuck in an awkward silence with someone as you are slowly being pulled towards the top of the mountain. A rich shade that is perfect for both chairlifts and holiday occasions. Maybe you're more into real competitions and look forward to an old-time fashion tackling with some bruises on your body? Well, Pucken Penalties is your deep plum raisin shade with flashes of pink and purple sparkles. Bold and dramatic, and definitely way prettier than hockey bruises, if we are being honest here. Snowshoe for 2 is not your ordinary winter red. Oh no. As we all know, we would not survive winter without a red. But Ellie did take this to the next level and have added tiny pieces of pink and gold shimmer to this perfect festive red. Side note, how do you wear a snowshoe for 2? If you are not the best when it comes to balance and coordination, there's nothing shameful to hang around the bunny slopes. This warm, neutral pink calms you down and will tell you all kinds of encouraging and loving cheers as you pizza plow down the slopes. Praying for powder, on the other hand, is your ninja friend who loves to plummet down the black slopes and surf on the avalanches. This color has a dark navy background with fine pieces of purple and brighter blue shades. Bold at day and mysterious at night. If you got 2 left feet and would rather stay away from both skates and skis, then it's toboggan time. A safe card, but definitely not boring for that matter. A muddy pink mauve cream that leans more towards brown. Trendy and stylish, and will still give you those stomach tingles as you leap off that snowy ledge. So let's sum up the Winterplay collection. Be a chairlift chit-chat conversation starter as you praying for powder in the bunny slopes before you head out to the rink for some pucks and penalties as you curl up with your honey with the snowshoe for 2 because it is toboggan time. Of course, you want to get your snowy mittens on this fantastic collection, which will be out on November 15th to all salon customers everywhere on lightelegance.com and with the LE distributors worldwide. Also, don't forget that this collection, as well as all the others, are HEMA-free, 9-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan. And we do believe that what's inside matters. Now, leave your phone and get out there and play.